Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Low Carb Cocktails. Wait a minute, that doesn't sound right. Welcome back to Low Carb Tiki. For the next few videos, I am officially dubbing myself the Low Carb Tiki guy. Okay, the next Low Carb Tiki drink is going to be the Painkiller. Well, technically it's going to be a riff on the Painkiller, mainly because the Painkiller is a trademarked recipe owned by Pusser's Rum and legally should be made with Pusser's Rum. Now, through some research on rum, I came across a website called Fat Rum Pirate, as well as Captain Jimbo's Rum Project, where they do hydrometer tests to see if there's any additives like sugar in the rum after the distillation. So in Pusser's Rum does have some added sugar according to their hydrometer tests. Now it's not a lot, but we have some that aren't. So because of that, this is going to be a riff on the Painkiller. Hopefully I don't get sued by Pussers. So the ratios on the ingredients are going to be tweaked up just a little bit because of that. Anyway, let's get started. In our mixer, we need 2 ounces of a Navy strength or dark rum. So if you watched my last video, the test pilot, you've seen us using 3 Roll Estates dark rum. Their dark rum has no added sugars and it gets its color from barrel aging, not caramel or caramel coloring. So like I said, 2 ounces of a dark rum or Navy strength. And use Pusser's. Pusser's is a good rum. I'm just not going to use it just because I have other dark rums that don't have added sugar. The next thing in the Painkiller is going to be pineapple juice, 4 ounces. That's a lot of sugar. Now with Libby's light pineapple juice, this comes out to 1.75 grams of carbs per ounce. Well, we'll be using 2 ounces of this, and that's going to be 3.5 grams of carbs. Now I'm also going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of pineapple syrup, some sugar-free of course, just to kind of help that volume out a little bit. Now this is Jordan's. A couple of different people make skinny syrups, but this has 0 net carbs and it's got a good pineapple taste to it. Pushes that boundary of tasting like pineapple candy. So I'm not going to use much, just about 1 ounce, just to kind of help increase the volume of the cocktail, along with keeping that pineapple flavor. So just 1 ounce of a pineapple syrup. Next is going to be orange juice. You know, orange juice, high in carbs. I've been using Trop 50 until I found this new Simply Light has less carbs. And with Simply Light, we're going to be using 1 ounce. It's going to have 1.5 grams of carbs. So 1 ounce of Simply Light orange juice. The last ingredient is going to be coconut cream. So you see pineapple, coconut, rum, pina colada, throw a little bit of orange juice in it. It's kind of the concept behind it. The coconut cream is going to have 0.375 grams of carbs per ounce. So we're not even at a half a gram of carbs on this. And to get the recipe to do a coconut cream, you can check out my video right here on all the tiki mixers and syrups for this series. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of this. Now it is a little bit thin, and I mentioned in the video before on making this, you can thicken it with a little xanthan gum, but as far as the flavors go, it's spot on, and I don't think it needs to be changed at all, personally. It's extra work, extra investment to buy xanthan gum and use it, and not necessary. So from here, I already have some ice in my large tin. Dump the ingredients in together. Give this a good shake. And we're done. You kind of know, if you're not familiar with shaking cocktails, when that outside starts to get that nice frost on it from condensation and it gets kind of hard to hold, that's basically when you're done. On average, 10-15 seconds. Now, we'll strain this into a Collins glass or any tall glass with ice in it. There's our glass, strainer, and pour. Oh, that smells so good. And for garnish, we're just gonna dust it with some nutmeg. Now, if you wanna get some fresh nutmeg and grate it over the top, that would be better, be very honest with you. But we just have some ground nutmeg I got in a bottle. And it's that simple. Rum, pineapple juice, orange juice, coconut cream, shake the shit out of it. Throw some nutmeg on top and you have a delicious tiki cocktail. Man, that is so good. Yeah, yeah. Tiki time. This is why I love tiki cocktails. They're so delicious. Whether this is a sweet drink, let's not kid it. It's gonna have, like I said, pineapple juice, sweet, orange juice, sweet, coconut cream, sweet. This is a sweet cocktail. I like sweet cocktails, but outside of the tiki, it's such a broad range because you have the ones that aren't so sweet, like the last couple that I did, the Test Pilot, not real sweet. The Navy Grog, not real sweet. Dr. Funk, not real sweet. So a lot of people say tiki's just a bunch of sugar bombs and just sweet, sweet cocktails. This one is. This one absolutely is. But all that aside, tiki embodies such a broad array of flavors and profiles. And that's one of the reasons I enjoy tiki so much and why I get so excited to bring low carb tiki to you guys. Oh man, this is so good. This is so good. If y'all like the content I'm putting out, I do have a Patreon page. There's a link in the description below where you can support me. Any amount you'd like would help me out a little bit. When I buy booze, I buy a lot and it's not real cheap to do that. So overall, guys, thank y'all for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. All those things help me out with YouTube. And so that's it, guys. If I was in pain, I wouldn't be after this. I might just go smash my hand with an ice mallet just to see if this works. See y'all later. Yes, 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 yes. Painkiller, the painkiller. Sure does taste better than Tylenol.